So since I am getting these boxes ready, I thought I would show you guys exactly what I'm sending. Not gonna tell you who I'm gonna send it to though, but 2 people. I separated the stuff that I have and I'm gonna give it to 2 people. So I'm actually videoing this because if any of your stuff comes up missing, there are going to be some problems because I'm going to send it through post office, and I'm taking notes of everything that I packed and also pictures. So in the first box there are going to be 1 pack of Pampers, and this is Pampers Swaddlers. There are 20 diapers in here. I also have some loose ones, and this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have 10 loose diapers right here. I'm gonna put those at the bottom, and this is how it looks. And I'm also taking notes of everything that I'm sending. This is Dickinson Witch Hazel hemorrhoid pads. Release hemorrhoid and vaginal irritation and cools and comfort. So if she's going to have a baby and she can use these. This has never been used actually. I'm also sending her this automatic breast pump right here. And then you have a whole thing of storage bags right here. New pack, never been opened. And this is how it looks so far. So she got 3 blankets. If you hear Kai is in his, she also got a pack of wipes. And then this little cute bag that she can bring to the hospital or whatever. There's some breast pads in here. 2, 4, 6 breast pads. There is some sodas. I have one of these in here. I have nipple cream in here because I'm sending the breast pump, and if she's going to be breastfeeding, the nipple cream will help at first with the breast pump because it kind of hurts a little bit. And then you have some just some travel size items, a travel size Pampers wipes for sensitive skin, something to like pack up the baby stuff in, brand new stuff. So Come on. Come on. I'm sending 3 sleepers, so these, and then a swaddle, then 2 pants, three hats, and then onesies, and I'm gonna count the onesies that I sent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 onesies right here. And then one little baby shirt. So that is how the box looks. I'm very happy with the box. I'm actually very happy I chose this box because I was gonna choose a littler one, and if I had did that, no, it wouldn't be. And I'm also putting in this letter at the top, and it says, I made sure to photograph and video all items in this package. I sent you a picture also. If any items comes up missing, please let me know, because Jamaica's post office are notorious for taking people's items. Please let me know if anything is missing. Taking people's mail is a crime, so please let me know. I hope you enjoy. I know you need them. Yours truly, Brains. And that is the first box down. And I'm also going to stick this bag right here that I got, and stick it in the first box. I'm actually going to double bag this because it has liquids in there, and if it get burst or fling around, I want it to be contained in a contained area so it don't get on the rest of the stuff. So for the second bag,
1 o'clock. Time to learn something. Can you find the letter?
I have this for when you give birth, I also have 6 breast pads. I have one of these. I have this, and this.
Can you find the letter F?
She got 4 pacifiers. This is a nipple cover.
Can you find the letter F?
And she got a big bottle of Aqua 4. Come on, I'm almost done. So, okay. What, Kai? This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have 10 loose Pampers. I'm also going to buy her a pack of Pampers like the other one that's in that one, and I'm also going to buy her a baby bag because I gave her a breast pump. I want to give her like a really nice baby bag, and when I buy those, I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the baby bag that I actually bought, and the diapers to put in the second box, and then I added some onesie, a toy, and a teething ring, some brand new onesie. So she got 2 of these. 2 swaddles. Come on. Why are you making so much noise all of a sudden? 3 hats. Bye. You ready to come home? Alright, let me take you. I'll hurry up. So here is Kai. I'm gonna take him out. What's your? No touching. 1, 2. Here. Come on. Come on. There is nothing wrong with this. You're crying for something that's not yours. Little boy. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 onesies, 12. I have 1 shorts. 2 sleepers, a swaddle, and then another thicker sleeper. my son one of those white shirts. And then two pairs of mittens. Kai. And this is how this one looks. It kind of looks empty, but I'm gonna add her bag in here. I'm also gonna add another pack of Pampers in here, and then it's gonna look a bit more fuller. So yeah.
Thank you for packing with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.